Hello you guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So yes, you saw the title right. I have some Walgreens deals for you guys. So I went ahead and made up 8 top Walgreens deals that you guys should consider doing if you have a Walgreens near you. And I also did a price comparison for you guys with Walmart's price so you can see where the grocery prices are at Walgreens versus Walmart. So if you are a Walmart shopper for your groceries, a lot of you guys tell me that you are, you'll be able to see the comparison. So there is a printable breakdown for you guys. You could also follow along with my blog. If you didn't know, I do have a blog, so make sure you're subscribed to that. You'll be added to my email list. It's super easy to add your email. So let's just go ahead and get into it. So these are the top 8 Walgreens deals. These are going to be available today, the 3rd, through the 9th of February. So the first deal is on Arm & Hammer. So this is the liquid and also the 17 or 21 pack of the Power Pack. So they are priced for $1.99 on sale. Today we got a $1 off 1 coupon in the Smart Source 2-3. You can also clip a $1 off coupon to your Walgreens card. I also have a printable coupon for you guys right here. You can click here and print. There's a $1 off coupon for the liquid and the pods. So final cost is 99 cents. And I'm going to be comparing Walmart's prices with you guys. So Walmart's price for the Arm & Hammer is $5.97. So there's some good deals on groceries this week too. So the Nice brand aluminum foil and the Smile paper plates with the in-ad coupon, it is 99 cents. You can find your ad. You can clip this to your card or you can just have the cashier scan the ad, the paper ad. So it makes it 99 cents. So another in-ad coupon deal is the Coffee Mate Liquid Creamer. It's a limit of 4. The 16 ounce, it's 2 for $3 or $1.50 each. And Walmart has these going for $2.18 each, so it's cheaper over at Walgreens. The Welch's and Skippy peanut butter, they are on sale 2 for $4. Walmart's price for the Skippy peanut butter is $2.48, so you'll save 48 cents if you go Walgreens. So the Crest toothpaste and mouthwash, they are on sale $3.99. And there's a $1 off 1 coupon from the February P&G. So what you can do is buy 3 items. So in my breakdown, I have 2 Crest toothpaste and 1 Crest mouthwash. And when you buy 3, you're going to get a $6 register reward. So buy any combination of 3, and you're going to pay $11.97. And your total is going to be $11.97. Then you can use 2 of those $1 off 1 coupons for the Crest toothpaste in the P&G for February. And then you can use a $1 off 1 coupon for the Crest mouthwash in the February P&G. So you will pay $8.97 out of pocket, and then you earn that $6 register reward. So it makes them 99 cents. Now the Crest 3D white toothpaste at Walmart is $2.97 just for a price comparison. So the next deal is on the all detergent. So they are priced, they're buy one, get one free, and they're priced for $6.49. Now we have $1 off 1 insert coupons that came in the 2-3 Retail Me Not. So you can go ahead and use 2 of those. You can use a coupon on a free item. So final cost is $4.49 for 2 or $2.24 each. Now Walmart's price is $4.97. So good deal there. I think you can use a coupon on a buy one, get one free sale. I haven't been in the Walgreens coupon zone for quite some time, so comment below if I'm mistaken. So the next deal is on Honey Nut Cheerios and Cinnamon Toast Crunch and other select General Mills cereals. They are priced 2 for $4, and there are printable 50-cent off 1 coupons on coupons.com. Just click right here and you can go ahead and print it. So final cost is $1.50. Now, if you guys haven't watched my Target video, you can get Cinnamon Toast Crunch and Lucky Charms for $1.30. Go ahead and watch my video right here. I have a hyperlink for you guys. So go ahead and watch that video to learn how you can get them for $1.30 each. And finally, the Lay's and Doritos tortilla chips are on sale 2 for $5 or $2.50 each. So I went through the whole entire Walgreens ad and I just went ahead and picked out my top deals. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So thank you guys so much for watching today's top Walgreens deals. So I'm going to be doing this for you guys every single Sunday because I really want to see what the different prices are in Walgreens. I take a break here and there, but you know, when I get back on the Walgreens game, I really do enjoy Walgreens. And if you have not seen Designer Jen's video, there is a free 8x10 print. So I will link her video below so you guys can learn a little bit more about that. So yeah, I hope you guys have a fantastic Super Bowl and I will talk to you guys later. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to my channel if you are new and comment Walgreens if you guys love Walgreens. I'll talk to you later. Bye.